Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on the new Manolo Khiko leather Peep-Toe Slingback sandals in the color black. Now I will admit when I first saw these, I wasn't too blown away, but after I thought about them a little bit longer, they started to really stand out as a great standard black sandal. Now, I always think it's very challenging to find the right black sandal that is both comfortable, has the right silhouette, and the perfect sturdy but not too chunky heel. But first, when I saw these on the stock photo without them actually on, I wasn't too blown away. That being said, when I saw them on the stock model, it changed my mind. Now to talk about sizing really briefly, we picked these up in a 39. My mom actually picked them up first, so she is doing the unboxing and try on today, but we are the same size. So we usually wear a 7.5 or a 8 in standard street shoes, but when it comes to designer, we usually size up to anywhere from a 38 to a 39. In Manolo, I tend to find that I like to go for the 39, and in Jimmy Choo, I am usually a 38.5. Now we're getting a first glimpse of these shoes on and I really love them. My mom let me know they are very comfortable and she has a history of ankle problems, so she is very sensitive to that. However, they don't look like the standard comfortable shoe, to use it in a bad way. They are still very trendy, very secure, and they look very dressy. Now we also picked these up in the brown color just to have the staple standard black and brown shoe. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to do so. And if you made it this far in the video, be sure to drop a heart in the comments below or your most recent emoji for some extra fun. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.